Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is another men's shirt transformation. So without any further ado, let's jump into this video. Una nating gagawin na top ay off-shoulder top. So ang una nating gagawin is tatanggalin natin yung pocket. So next is to cut the first top. Measure 4 inches upward. Same process, measure 4 inches inward. Gawin mo ito sa kabilang side. Make a straight line using a ruler. Next is measure your desired length of your top. So, dito guys is wag niyong gayahin kasi puputulin ko siya mamaya. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano ko siya kinot. Pagkatapos nun ay i-cut mo na lahat. So dito is kunin lang natin to guys. Dito na part is kailangan mong tahiin yung mga raw edges para hindi siya mag-fray. And then sew it. So as you guys can see, tapos ko na siyang tahiin lahat at kinonek ko na yung side. So, dito na part is kailangan natin mag-shearing gamit ang elastic threads. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam kung paano mag-shearing, may video pa ako and tingnan nyo lang sa aking YouTube channel. Or ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box. So, ito yung sinasabi kong mali ko kanina guys. So, dapat maikli lang siya. So, we have to cut it. Then, sew the raw edges. So, ayan guys. Tapos na ang ating first top. Moving on to the second top, which is tank top. Gagamitin lang natin yung excess fabric para dito. Set aside this one para sa next top. Make a straight line. So, measure 3 inches inward. Measure your desired length for this top. So, ang measure ko dito guys is 8 inches. So, as you guys can see, nag-add ako ng 1/2 inch para sa allowance. And then, measure 4 inches upward. So, dito guys is kailangan nyo makuha yung 1/4 ng inyong bust measure. Then, make a curve. And then, you have to cut it So, gamit ang excess fabric ng sleeve, kailangan natin to para gumawa tayo ng back part ng ating top. Same measurement para sa armhole part. So, dahil yung measure natin is 4 inches, yun yung magiging back part ng ating top. Then, tahiin mo lang yung all sides. Using excess fabric, yung isang sleeve, kailangan natin to guys para gumawa tayo ng dalawang strings. Measuring 1 inch. At feeling ko maikli lang yung strings kaya kailangan natin mag-add. Using excess fabric, you have to measure 1 inch. Then, connect it all to make a 2 strings. So, ganito lang yung process guys. You have to fold each side and then fold it again. Sa back part is kailangan mong gumawa ng tunnel para sa strings. So, ganito siya guys. Then, i-connect lang natin yung 2 strings. And then, tahiin mo lang siya. So, dito guys, is ipasok lang natin yung strings sa tunnel. Depende po ito sa inyong pag-style ng ating top. And then, we are done. Moving on to the last top. Hindi ko alam guys kung ano yung pangalan ng top na to, but nakita ko lang siya sa Pinterest kaya gagayahin na lang natin. Gamit yung natirang fabric, we have to cut the excess. And then fold it gaya nito. Ang kailangan natin na measurement dito ay ang ating bust measure. Take note, half of your bust measure. You have to connect the two and sew all the raw edges. Then we have to make a tunnel. Same process po sa isang top. So yung second and third top is medyo pareho lang siya. So kailangan din natin gumawa ng strings using a ruler and then 1 inch yung size. So ayan guys, and kailangan na natin ipasok yung strings sa tunnel. And before we proceed for the final transformation, shout out muna tayo. Shout out kay Mr. Leonardo Sanet, Miss Ann Cañete, Miss Luzel Madulara, and Miss Salami Imbin. So kung gusto mo ma-shoutout, please comment down below. And now, let's see for the final transformation. And that's it for today's video, and I hope na-enjoy nyo tong video na to. If you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share this video, and please turn on the notification bell down below para lagi kang updated kapag may bago akong upload. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe!